Hi, Tony here from eBay. I'm going to take you through how to run Warcraft Orcs and Humans on a Windows 7 or a Windows 8 machine. The trick to running this game is going to be running it in DOS mode. It was not made for Windows, it was made for DOS, but it works fine on Windows. So on the left-hand side, I've got some Excel or an Excel file with some instructions in there. I'd be happy to send anybody that attachment if they'd like. I'm also going to open up the DOS-based emulator that we'll need to use. And this is a one-time download. It's simply dosbox.com. And you'll go into Downloads. And it's the Windows one right here, so you just download and install. It's a real quick installation. So, number two, we need to take the contents of the CD and actually create another directory on our computer and save it into there. So I'm going to right-click on Windows Start, open up Windows Explorer, and here you can see the CD or the DVD, and it happens to be my D drive. And I'm going to, within my C drive, create a folder called ORC, so ORC. And what you'll do with that folder is then copy the contents from the D drive. So I'm clicking on it, and click the first, hold the shift down, click the last, then you'll right click and copy, and then you'll go to the ORC folder and paste. Now I've already done this. I pasted it into the ORCs folder, so we're going to use ORCs for now. And just make a mental note that my C drive is my hard drive, and the D drive is my CD-ROM drive. So it might be different for you, and if it is, you'll just need to change the setup procedures a little bit. So to get that game going, I'm going to go into Dosbox, which I have downloaded on my computer, and I'm going to push them to the right side of my screen. And starting with step 1, mount C space C colon /orcs, enter, then mount D space C colon /orcs minus T space CD-ROM. Oops, I did something wrong there. Oh, I did mount. So mount D colon C colon space /orcs space minus T space CD-ROM. Then I'll type in C. Now, what I've basically done there is kind of trick out the computer so that the D is the C drive and the C is the D, because Windows doesn't know anything different than A, B, or C drive. So to get the program to run, or to install, I'm going to type in dir, and that's short for directory. It's the DOS command, and I'm looking for the executable file, which in this case is install. So I'll type in install, enter, and I'm going to go ahead and do a full installation. Enter. We'll let the default be C colon Warcraft. And while that's doing that, I am going to see if the instructions are okay. So C, install the game, that's good. When I did this last night, it started up immediately. Oh, there she goes. And I'm going to, well, in this case, you can select your sound card. I'll pick Blaster, it really doesn't matter. This doesn't matter either. And I'm going to save settings and exit. And then you'll see this screen, setup complete, type war to start game. Also note that we have the word C:\Warcraft. We'll need to reference that. So we'll type war, enter, Alt, and I have this note, Alt, enter for full screen. So Alt, enter, and there's full screen. I'm going to escape and type an exit, and then that takes me back to my screen. So now to run it again, all you need to do is go into Dosbox. So go there. I'm going to also just have my Excel instructions open up right here. And it's the bottom part that you want to do. So mount C:, or C space, D:, \, then mount D space C:, \, enter. Then type in D:, and then you'll see here I have CD, and that's change directory, Orcs, \Warcraft, enter, and then war. And Alt-Enter for full screen. Sounds like a lot, but it really isn't bad. If you think about it, we're running a game about 20 years old on a modern day piece of machinery. Now to get out of here, just exit, and you're good to go. So that's the end of the video. Dosbox I've been using for years. Thousands of customers of mine have used it. It's totally safe. Little creepy guy in that download, but that's about it. So take care. Bye.